All right, we got a tropical storm down just on the other side of Miami right now. This is on a Sunday. I already went to the pier. I didn't even record much. Just walked the surf. There was a guy down there. I found a nickel and a penny and I gave up and left. I decided to just come down here where nobody was at. And I'm not even getting a beep. I've been walking a long ways. It's not as rough as it was yesterday. You know, you can see, I don't know, 3-4 foot, maybe 5, way out there. We've been getting scattered showers all morning. I got a rain jacket tied around my waist. I got popped twice at the pier. I went there because I could hide under the pier, but there just wasn't nothing there. So we'll see if we find something. If not, you'll never see it. All right, walked a good ways in the surf here. There ain't much here. That's 13-14. Now it says 10-11. It's kind of all over the place. 13-15. All right, whatever it is. Hope I got it. I just hope it's not a pull tab. It does not want to come up. It's kind of rough today from that storm. And it's a nickel. Alrighty, here's a 4. Let's see, still a 4. This seems to cancel off. And it's junk. Alright. What the heck is this? I don't think I really want to know. Maybe it's a squirt bottle for something. But I don't know. If anybody's got an idea. A little bit rough. There ain't jack crap out here in the surf. I've got my all iron on and I'm not even getting a beat. And I mean, I'm standing down here, good ways away. Look how far it's breaking right here at the edge. And it's gonna be up on me in about 2 seconds. And I think Friday, Saturday was even worse. But it sanded the beach in. I mean, it went way up in the dunes and it's pulled everything down. I can't even get a peek. But I'm trying. Because can't find nothing down there. 27. Well, this is technically the wet sand because it came right up to over here where you see the seaweed line. Possibly a dime. Yeah, I think I got it. Yeah, this all this sand here, until you get down where it looks hard. I don't know if you can see it. You can see the discoloration and it gets down there and it's packed. It's like walking in quicksand. Yeah, it looks like we got a dime. At least I found something today. Sure, it is a pull tab. 13. It says straight up 14. I've done a lot of rings on 14. But it's popping. It says 14, but I ain't seeing nothing. And just like I thought, pull tab. All right, so you got a hill right here. This is how far the water came up last night. I mean, I'm just gonna walk it and you can kind of see. And it usually stops at this hill, but it grabbed all this sand and it's pulled it down. And when you get down here, like I said a while ago, this is like walking in quicksand. You just kind of mar up a little bit. And hey, it's gonna be a rough day. I don't think I'm gonna get anything. 7. I assume Canslaw. I see something shiny right there. Wish it was something good and shiny. But it is my buddy Canslaw. All right. 17, 18, 19, 20. 17, 16. Still says it's very deep. All right. $17, 18, popped to 16. 18 right there. I just wasn't over the top of it. Something rolled down. Seems kind of heavy, and it is a fishing weight. What I expected. As soon as it rolled down, it was 425, 27. Still see a 24. Same. All right. I see some right there. It resembles a penny. That's yeah. Nope. It's a dime. Alrighty. I'm finding more up here where it came over the hill than I am down there because I'm not finding nothing. 17, 18. Alright, let's see. It's going from 15 to 18. This is 16. Straight up. Probably another fishing weight. Nope. It's Stella. Alright, this one's cutting out. There we go. Looks like a bottle cap. That's what I thought. What we got here? I ain't never heard of that one. Alright, 26, 27. Huh, nailed it. 26, 27. I think I saw something. Hear something. I see something. Aha! I got me some silver, guys. Praise the Lord. Right through here is where it came up. And it washed up a little silver. Sebastian Patrol of Athletics. Protect me. Protect this athlete. And this is silver. I wish I could get it back to the athlete. It says not Ratron. It's his last name, Sebastian Ratron. Maybe I can find him. I wonder where he's out of. Did it break? No. Maybe I can hit him up at the school, hit the school up, and see if I can find this kid. Alrighty. I don't know if I recorded. I did. It's this Angry Orchard. Looks like a penny. Alright, we can have her. Straight up 20. And I see it. Alrighty, straight up 13. I'm assuming it is a pull tab. All right, we got her. $13, $14, $15. I see it right there. Top will stick it up just like that. Alrighty, 2 and a 5. Now, I'll always dig a 2 and a 5 from now on, since I dug up them 2 gold charms. Bad part is 99% of the time it's can slaw. Can slaw right there, buddy. I broke it in two. 14, 15. Yeah, it's gonna be crap. 12, 13. Deep. Let's get down in there and see. All right. $13. I hope I didn't drop it. Sounds like a bottle cap. And it is Smirnoff 24. Alrighty, we got her. I hear something. And we got us a dime. A whole 10 cents. Alright, 12, 13. I think I saw a pull tab. I guess I didn't. Alright, should have shook it out. Nope, appears to be can slaw. Or some type of something folded up. I don't know what that is. I got a 14, 15. Let me turn away from the wind if I can. Well, it was screaming a lot more a minute ago. All right, we got her. $14.15. Sounds like a bottle cap. The Corona. No. Pacifico. All right, I got a 10. Feels like I got 20-mile-an-hour winds behind me too. Hope you can hear me. Still a 10. I'm assuming can slaw. I don't know if that's it. I don't know where it is. Guess I got it. Is that it? That little tiny piece? That's a pull tab. All right. All right, I'm digging the 13, 14. Straight up 13. Is that it? Obviously not. I don't know where she is. All right, finally, after 10 minutes, don't hear nothing. I don't hear nothing. I know it's that. All right, 15, 16, 19. On the way out. 17. See, we got it. Don't see nothing. That's a shell. $18. I got a little tiny part of a chair, a little eyelet, whatever it's called. It was a rough morning in the low tide, didn't find much. As you can see, as I showed you in the video, as it went up over, that water went up over that hill, that's the only place I found anything. You know what I find? 3 dimes and a penny, and I found that nickel at the pier. I gave up there, found the fishing weight, and a little silver charm with a gentleman's name on it. I'm gonna see if I can find him. He's probably at the local school. So if not, I guess we got some silver. So anyway, it's a nice little charm. So anyway, and if it's not silver, I'll find out later, I'm assuming. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe. See you.